Today I'm going to show you how to set up monthly subscription plan on your Shopify store using Aon Subscriptions. First of all, choose subscribe and save option there to create plan. Now name the plan here. I'm naming it monthly plan, but you can name it whatever you want to. Now scroll a bit and add frequency, and here you can see list of options. Here you can set order frequency to 1, 2, 3, or whatever, and you can choose it for monthly, weekly, and daily directly as you need it. And down here you can set recurring order schedule as per your need, but I will go with first option, which is same day as the initial. Now, next option is about discounts on your subscription plan. Here you can set it in percentage. I will suggest you to surely select it because it really attracts the customers. And then next option is about policies, which you can show to your customers on sale and at canceling and all that. Just select it as you want to. Now add frequency. Now the main point is about products mapping. Now you have to select here about all products or specific one, make sure you select it accurately. Next one is about purchase. Make sure you select it accurately too. Now, browse products on which you have to add subscription plan, because I have selected specific products option here, so I have to choose those products to apply my monthly subscription plan. Here are my selected products on which subscription is applied. Now you can see the box inside is showing the summary, which is a very good thing about Aon Subscription because here you can overview your plan easily and can make edits if you see any mistakes. Now we will customize our widget, which will appear on your store, and it have to look good. And you can see Aon Subscription has vast options, so I think it's a good choice. What do you think, guys? I mean, there are a bunch of choices available. Anyways, I'm going with the green on because I like it the most, and here you can select purchase options to one-time or monthly, weekly, and whatever. And also you can add code and custom CSS box if you want to make it according to your need. Now press save to save your plan. Save again. Now on front page you can see your plan is successfully created, and now you can make changes if you want to and add other plans from Create Plan option. Now go to the setting on Aon Subscription, and here are a bunch of options in 4 sections of configuration. You can select them according to your need, like AM turning email verification code on, and second option is billing management, which handle failed payments through advanced billing automation. Here I'm setting retry attempts and delay between the failed tries. You can set them as you want to. And other option is action. After max retries, you can set it to return after other day or whatever. And third section is auto sync rule, which will automatically align subscription prices, and fourth section is tag management. Make sure to active options as per your need, and in the send save changes and go to your store to review the plan and settings you've made before. Search the products you've specified for your plan and check review it. Here are my products. Select a product and let's make an order. Enter email in contact information, and in delivery section add country, name, last name, address and city, and zip code and phone number is optional. Now add card information and security code. Now let's fulfill the order. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and if you need any help in plan creation, use live chat in Aon Subscription, and for other tutorials, visit channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.